Hi guys, so I'm really excited because I just received these high heels for reviewing purposes, and I think that they are really nice. They have this beautiful design and have a stylish pointed open toe, perfect for any occasion, and has a really nice breathable mesh design that it's perfect to keep your feet cool all day long, which I think that they are really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and test them out, okay, as you can see. So let's go and test them out. Come on. Okay, as I've said, you can use them on some wedding events, some fashion events, wherever you want to use them. I think that they look really beautiful. They are really easy to put on. They have a really nice buckle design that it's adjustable for a secure and custom fit. Overall, I think that they look perfect. They are really beautiful. I like a lot the black color that they have, and you can order them in different colors, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, because they feel great, they are really breathable and all, I think that they are really great, and I will really recommend them. See you guys.